Once upon a time in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, in the lively year of the 1980s, there lived a young and talented dressmaker named Lucille. She was known across her small town for her bright smile and her gift with fabrics. Her hands could turn simple cloth into stunning works of art. Every morning, she would wake up to the warm sun, humming reggae tunes, dreaming of creating something extraordinary. One day, as she was busy sketching her newest design outside her humble shop, a young technician named Normanson strolled by. He was tall, with a gentle smile and eyes full of curiosity. He was fixing a nearby radio when he noticed Lucille's sketches fluttering in the breeze. Intrigued, he stopped to admire her work, and their eyes met, instant sparks of warmth and connection. Normanson, with his easygoing charm, struck up a conversation about the colors and patterns she loved. Lucille was shy at first, but his genuine interest and kind words made her feel special. Over the next few days, Normanson would come by her shop, bringing little gadgets to fix while sharing stories of his adventures fixing radios and TVs all over Jamaica. Lucille would show him her latest dresses, her eyes shining with passion, and he would listen, captivated by her dreams. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, filled with laughter, music, and hope. One evening, under the golden glow of the setting sun, Normanson surprised Lucille with a small gift, a handmade radio decorated with vibrant fabrics that matched her favorite dress. As they sat on the veranda, she told him how her heart fluttered whenever she saw him, and he gently took her hand, promising to always be near. From that moment on, their love blossomed like the colorful flowers in Jamaica's gardens, warm, bright, and full of promise. And in the years of the 1980s, in that little town, two young souls found each other, proving that sometimes the most beautiful stories are written with love, hope, and a little bit of Jamaican sunshine.